Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS400 4MATIC. We're going to be replacing the SWAYBAR links, brand new SWAYBAR links, both sides, and they right in here, right here, and this one is busted right here, so you can see that, and it's been leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them. 2 bolts holding it, and we probably won't even have to take the tire off. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got an 18 mil ratchet. It's a ratchet wrench, and we're gonna break that free and get that off. For both of them, it's gonna be the top and the bottom. Now I noticed this is pretty fat right here, so it's this is kind of going downward when it loosens. See, we got it loose. So what you want to do is just get an 18 mil socket and put on it and back the rest out. Alright, that's the bottom one. So I repositioned it and got it down there like that in between there, and I came around the front and I just pulled on it. Pull it towards the front of the vehicle. And got the jack stand holding it up. So I went and put the jack up under the tire to lift the suspension, so it'll be straight and it can just come out like that. Come right out. And now it's ready for the other one to go in. And we're just gonna put it right back in. Simple as that. So you got to lift the car up. If the tire was off, you got to put the jack on the strut. There it is. It's crazy. This right here was the cause of noise when the wheel would turn left and right. Like if the car was sitting still and you back up or whatever and you turning the wheel simultaneously, you can hear creaking, and this is what it was. And it was on this side, only on the driver's side, so I know that's what the problem was. And this is the part number. You can use these, it's no left or right, you can use them on either side. That easy, just like that. And the other side is pretty much the same procedure, so I'm gonna fly through it. All right, and we done. Now this may not work for everybody. I'm not sure if it can come off as easy as these did, because sometimes you gotta use that right there to keep it from spinning. The nut will spin and that, so you would have to put a Torx bit in there, hold it, and do what you need to do, or hold the nut and put the Torx bit in there, and then you can turn that Torx. So all right, quick video, man. I hope it helped out. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.